Hey, Happy New Year. This quote is going to be perfect for your New Year's resolutions, whether you do them or not. And it's by William Wordsworth. And let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, well, William Wordsworth said, habit rules the unreflecting herd. Now, I don't know if you like being related to a herd, but generally we think of like a herd of animals that just follow one another. And unreflecting is really the key here. And so if you are going to be a person that is growing, that is changing, that is actually thinking about your life, where you've been, where you're going, what you truly want out of this world, then you actually have to take a moment, take a step back and reflect on the person you've been, the choices you've made, the opportunities in front of you, and then make a decision based on what you value moving forward. So it's that time of reflection that really matters, and that is what allows you to set or to break the habits that matter and that make you the person that you're going to be in, 5 weeks or 5 years down the line. So if you don't want to get caught up in the herd mentality where you're just blending in with everybody else, where you're actually just going along with what the crowd is doing, then you have to take a step back and you have to do some reflecting. And reflection is what's going to happen a lot of times for a lot of different people around the new year, where they take some time out to write down some resolutions, things they want to change. But if those things aren't based on a reflection of who you are, who you've been, and who you want to be, then you may not end up being successful. So, hey, I hope that helps you in this Monday motivational quote, and we will catch you next time.